If you're tired of creating invoices manually in QuickBooks, automating the process can save you time and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Let me walk you through how to set it up quickly. Start by logging into your QuickBooks dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Sales and then choose Invoices. Now select the creative invoice to open the invoice form. Fill in the customer details, product or service, and payment terms, just like you would for any normal invoice. Now here's where automation kicks in. Scroll down and find the Make Recurring option. Click it, and a new window will pop up. Give your recurring invoice a name. This helps you track it later. Choose how often you want the invoice to be sent, whether it's weekly, monthly, or on a custom schedule. Make sure to reveal the start date, the end date if needed, and confirm that the template is to automatically send emails. That's what ensures QuickBooks sends these out without you having to lift a finger. Click Save Template and you're all set. With recurring invoices in place, you can focus more on growing your business and less on routine admin tasks. If you found this helpful, well, don't forget to like and follow for more QuickBooks automation tips coming your way.